Hi Northmore 4th grade. We are going to show you today just a quick little review how to go through the long division process, because that's one of the things we've been studying a lot lately. So I'm just going to run through a few problems so you can look back at them at any time. So start with this one. Please remember our steps. DMSB. Dirty monkeys smell bad. Did Mrs. Schreiber burp? However you want to remember it, just remember that these stand for divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Take a look at this problem. We got 4 divided by 4 to start. That's our D step. 4 divided by 4 is 1. We do our M step. 1 times 4 is 4. We do our subtract step. 4 minus 4 is 0. And then we do our B step, which means bring down. Now we repeat our process. Sometimes I draw a number there, a divisor there, so that to remind you that we are dividing again. We're going back to our D step. 9 divided by 4. How many 4s are there in 9? There are 2. Multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract. We get 1. There's nothing else to bring down. This one becomes our remainder. Let's go on to this problem. Again, I'm going through these very quickly because we've been studying these for a while, so hopefully this is just a review for you guys. Start off here, we got 7 divided by 5. That's 1. It's our D step. And then we go to our M step. We multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. We subtract. We get 2. And then we bring down the 8. Now, we have to start our DMSB process all over again. Now we're going to divide by 5. 28 divided by 5. How many 5s are there in 28? Or you can think of it as 5 times what number gets you close to 28 without going over. In this case, it's 5. Multiply that 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract. We get 3, and we have to bring down this 5 all the way down here. So this is why it's called long division. It takes a long time sometimes. So we have to go through DMSB yet again. This time we're going to do our D step with 35 divided by 5. That's 7. Multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. We subtract and we get 0. No remainder. That's our final answer. Got one more to show you. Here we have a situation we can't do in the hundreds place. We can't do 4 divided by 7. So we need to immediately go over to the next digit. So now we're going to be looking at these two digits together. 42 divided by 7. 42 divided by 7, if you know your basic facts, is 6. Do your M step. You multiply. 6 times 7 is 42. We subtract. We get 0. And then we bring down the 5. But here we have a little bit of an issue because we just brought down a 5 and we cannot do 5 divided by 7 now. So we can't just leave this as our answer. Whenever you bring down a number and can't divide by your divisor, you need to put a 0 there. Now, when we multiply 0 times 7, we do get 0. And we're still left with 5. So what happens is that 5 becomes our remainder. And that's long division.